I don't know why I'm not filming.
Go first, go first, go first.
We are actually going on It's a Small World 50th anniversary right now. Hi. What are we doing?
It's a small world. So we're all gonna sing, right?
Oh, we're totally singing.
For your safety, please
Everyone
remain
wave.
seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Pour votre sécurité, veuillez rester pendant tout voyage et garder les mains, bras, pieds et jambes à l'éveiller les enfants.
Oh, it's in French. Dorian, Madame Dorian.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuide los pequeñitos. Gracias.
Thought it was gonna be like hidden. Hi, Alice and Rabbit. Oh, she's singing.
To your left, to your left.
No, what? What?
In front of you, in front of you.
Oh my gosh. There's my can girls. Oh, Gella Gella. There's Pinocchio. Oh, there he is.
I can't even. Is there a dingo?
We went, he was back.
He was back? But like, I took a picture to verify, like there was a missing thing.
Oh, I love the Taj Mahal. Yep, Mulan.
That's
Mushu.
crazy. Seriously blowing my mind. Okay, this is better than 20. Yeah.
Because of the doll.
Yeah, but I think there's other stuff too that like this.
Is it the 3 caballeros?
It is.
3 caballeros. Okay, that's awesome.
Ariel. There's your kangaroo.
Okay, no launch. There should be a dingo.
Lilo. Sorry. Oh, I love the little Hawaiian girls.
This is so much better. There's a dingo, see?
There's a dingo. Very.
No babies around them.
That's the best part.
Everybody's shaking, right?
Everybody do your best to it, girl.
Yeah, everybody shake the boat. We don't have this at all in Florida. I see you.
Oh, we've got Country View.
Where?
Yeah, this has got like a rose tint to it.
Gold.
These are super cute. It's like a shadow box instead of just...
I gotta get like
Please
the sun
remain
coming
seated.
up.
Oh my gosh, we went in and it was dark. We come out and it's
And you are
nice.
asked to disembark. Thank you.
Go fast.
The magic of Disney. They made the sun come out.
Restez assis jusqu'à l'arrêt complet du bateau et attendez jusqu'à ce que l'hôte ou l'hôtesse vous demande de descendre. Merci.
Dorian,
Por favor, permanezca sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en el
translate
muelle
please.
y se le pida que desembarque. Gracias.